Welcome to our exploration of embracing change in software development. The landscape of software development is constantly evolving. Traditional methods often struggle to keep pace with changing requirements and market demands. Agile methodologies offer a flexible and iterative approach to software development. Agile emphasizes collaboration, customer feedback, and adaptability. It empowers teams to deliver value incrementally and respond to evolving priorities. Agile development reduces risk by breaking down projects into smaller iterations. Teams can identify and address potential issues early on. This iterative approach allows for continuous improvement. Agile promotes transparency and collaboration among team members. The adoption of Agile methodologies has become increasingly popular. Organizations recognize the value of Agile principles in delivering high-quality software. Agile provides a framework for teams to work together effectively and deliver value. Now let's delve into the Crystal Method, a family of Agile approaches. The Crystal Method is a family of Agile methodologies focused on people, communication, and adaptability. Developed by Alistair Cockburn, it tailors approaches to each project's unique needs. It uses colors to represent different project complexities and guidelines. Crystal Clear suits small teams, while Crystal Orange is for larger, complex projects. Moving on to the principles of the Crystal Method: people, communication, and feedback. At the heart of the Crystal Method lies a deep emphasis on people. It recognizes that software development is ultimately a human endeavor and prioritizes the well-being and interactions of team members. The Crystal Method promotes a collaborative and supportive work environment where individuals feel empowered to contribute their ideas and perspectives. Effective communication is paramount in the Crystal Method. It encourages frequent and open communication channels among team members, stakeholders, and customers. Face-to-face communication is highly valued, as it fosters stronger relationships and facilitates a shared understanding. The Crystal Method also emphasizes the importance of active listening, transparency, and respectful dialogue. Feedback is another cornerstone of the Crystal Method. It encourages teams to seek feedback early and often, both from within the team and from external stakeholders. Regular feedback loops help identify areas for improvement, ensure alignment with customer expectations, and facilitate continuous learning. The Crystal Method promotes a culture of constructive feedback, where feedback is viewed as an opportunity for growth and improvement. Lastly, let's explore Crystal Clear, a lightweight approach for small teams. Crystal Clear is the simplest and most lightweight methodology within the Crystal family. It is well suited for small teams of up to 6 people working on non-critical projects. Crystal Clear emphasizes direct communication, co-location, and frequent delivery of working software. It minimizes documentation and overhead, allowing teams to focus on delivering value quickly. One of the key practices in Crystal Clear is the use of a shared workspace. This encourages close collaboration and facilitates informal communication among team members. Crystal Clear also promotes the use of visual aids, such as whiteboards and Kanban boards, to enhance transparency and track progress. Regular reflection meetings are held to discuss what went well, what could be improved, and how to adapt the process for better outcomes. Crystal Clear is designed to be highly adaptable and can be tailored to the specific needs of the team and project. It encourages teams to experiment with different practices and find what works best for them. The emphasis is on continuous improvement through regular reflection and adaptation. Section 5. Crystal Orange, scaling up for larger projects. As project size and complexity increase, a more structured approach may be necessary. Crystal Orange is designed for larger teams of up to 40 people working on projects with higher criticality. It builds upon the principles of Crystal Clear, but introduces additional practices to manage the increased complexity. Crystal Orange emphasizes the importance of clearly defined roles and responsibilities within the team. It introduces the role of a project manager to facilitate communication and coordination among team members and stakeholders. Crystal Orange also places a greater emphasis on documentation and planning compared to Crystal Clear, although it still strives to minimize bureaucracy. To ensure quality and mitigate risks, Crystal Orange incorporates regular reviews and inspections throughout the development process. These reviews involve stakeholders and technical experts who provide feedback on the work in progress. Crystal Orange also encourages the use of automated testing to ensure the reliability and stability of the software. Section 6. Comparing Crystal with Scrum and Kanban. Crystal, Scrum, and Kanban are all Agile methodologies with different focuses. Scrum is prescriptive with clear roles and events. It uses time-boxed sprints. Kanban is flexible and visualizes work on a board. It limits work in progress to improve efficiency. Crystal emphasizes adaptability and tailoring to the project. It encourages teams to find their best approach. Section 7. Real-world applications and success stories. The Crystal method has been successfully applied in a wide range of industries and organizations, from small startups to large enterprises. Its flexibility and adaptability make it suitable for a variety of projects, including software development, product development, and organizational change initiatives. One notable example is the use of Crystal Clear by a small team of developers at a technology startup. The team was tasked with developing a mobile application within a tight time frame. By adopting Crystal Clear, the team was able to quickly establish a shared understanding of the project requirements and iterate rapidly on the development of the application. They held daily stand-up meetings to communicate progress, identify roadblocks, and ensure everyone was aligned. In another case, a large financial institution implemented Crystal Orange to improve the efficiency and effectiveness of its software development processes. The organization had previously struggled with long development cycles and communication silos between teams. By adopting Crystal Orange, the institution was able to break down silos, improve collaboration, and reduce time to market for new features and products. Like any methodology, the Crystal method has its advantages and disadvantages. One of the key advantages of Crystal is its adaptability. It allows teams to tailor the methodology to their specific needs and context, rather than forcing them to conform to a rigid set of rules. This flexibility makes Crystal a good choice for teams that are new to Agile or working in complex and dynamic environments. Another advantage of Crystal is its focus on people and communication. By prioritizing collaboration, transparency, and frequent feedback, Crystal fosters a positive and productive work environment. This emphasis on people-centric practices can lead to higher team morale, increased innovation, and improved product quality. However, the flexibility of Crystal can also be a disadvantage, especially for teams that lack experience with Agile methodologies. The lack of prescriptive rules and practices can make it challenging for some teams to know where to start or how to implement Crystal effectively. Without proper guidance and support, teams may struggle to adapt the methodology to their needs, or may revert to old habits. With its family of methodologies, Crystal offers flexibility in choosing the right framework based on project needs. Factors such as team size, project criticality, and organizational culture play a crucial role in this decision. Smaller teams working on non-critical projects may find Crystal Clear sufficient, while larger, more complex projects might benefit from the structure of Crystal Orange. Assessing the team's experience with Agile is crucial. For teams new to Agile, starting with a simpler framework like Crystal Clear can be less overwhelming. As the team gains experience and comfort with Agile principles, they can gradually adopt more complex Crystal frameworks if needed. The nature of the project also dictates the choice of framework. Projects with rapidly changing requirements or a high degree of uncertainty might benefit from the adaptability of Crystal Clear. On the other hand, projects with well-defined requirements and a greater need for predictability might be better suited for a more structured framework like Crystal Orange. The Crystal method offers a refreshing perspective on Agile software development. By prioritizing people, communication, and adaptability, Crystal empowers teams to deliver exceptional software products in a rapidly changing world. Its focus on finding the right balance between structure and flexibility makes it suitable for a wide range of projects and organizations. Whether you choose Crystal Clear for its lightweight approach or Crystal Orange for its scalability, the Crystal method provides a solid foundation for Agile success. By embracing the principles of Crystal, teams can foster collaboration, improve communication, and continuously adapt to deliver value to their customers. As the software development landscape continues to evolve, the Crystal method's emphasis on adaptability and people-centric practices will become increasingly relevant. By embracing the principles of Crystal, organizations can create a work environment that empowers teams to thrive in the face of change and deliver exceptional results. If you're looking for an agile methodology that prioritizes people, communication, and adaptability, the Crystal Method is worth exploring. Its flexible and customizable nature makes it an excellent choice for teams of all sizes and experience levels. To learn more about the Crystal Method and how it can benefit your organization, numerous resources are available online and in print. Consider consulting with experienced Agile practitioners or attending workshops and training sessions to deepen your understanding. Don't be afraid to experiment and adapt the Crystal Method to your unique context. The key is to find the right balance between structure and flexibility that empowers your team to deliver exceptional results. Embrace the principles of Crystal and embark on your journey towards Agile success today.